Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, November 30th. I hope everybody enjoyed a restful, relaxing Thanksgiving break. We are now returning for the 3 weeks between Thanksgiving break and winter break. This upcoming week will be fully virtual learning. No students will be coming into the building. Therefore, Monday will be an asynchronous, student-independent workday for social studies. Monday is very simple for students as we are getting started with our new unit, Ancient Egypt. This week's learning set is called Egypt Under the Pharaohs. So that is a green folder for this week in social studies. It is quarter 2, week 5. And as students enter Monday's folder, which is the blue folder, Monday 11:30, they will see just two things in there for social studies. The first thing is a link to a video from the textbook, so students can click on this. We'll ask them to open in a new window. Takes a second, then students need to click on the little blue YouTube-ish looking icon. And that will bring up the video. So students will watch this video. It's just shy of 3 minutes.
Let's talk about Egypt, one of the greatest civilizations in world history. Ever wonder how it got started? In a word, location. In ancient
So students will finish watching that 3-minute video from our textbook. Then they will go back to Schoology in Monday's folder, and there is a warm-up discussion question. And it says to watch the video, which we just completed, and it says examine the Egyptian tomb painting below. Notice the symbols, objects, clothing, and interactions of the people in the painting. Write 2 questions you have about ancient Egypt based on the painting and the video. So students can utilize the painting as the basis of writing 2 questions. Students can also use the video for any questions that they might have. So students will type in their questions into the box. They can number them just 1. Why are the characters in the painting wearing white clothing? Finish with a question mark and add a second question at least. So I'm asking students to write questions rather than a response. They can do that in just a list or numbered form, and that should be an easy way to get us warmed up for Tuesday's discussion. Once again, Monday is asynchronous learning, meaning students will do it on their own, and then we will come together on Tuesday to review this warm-up. We will also talk about Tuesday's lesson, which is actually a lengthier video, and we will introduce Wednesday's asynchronous work, which is a reading guide for social studies. So we will be live Tuesday and Thursday of this week. We will also await Dr. Smith's decision on the final 2 weeks prior to winter break as far as hybrid, virtual, and Dr. McCauley and I will make a decision on when we will be meeting live for science and social studies. So for tomorrow, just go ahead and watch the video here and take a look at the painting and complete the discussion question, which is asking 2 questions of your own in that post, and that should be an easy 10 points to get us started with the Egypt unit. If you have any questions on Monday, feel free to shoot me an email. Talk to everybody soon. See you Tuesday. Bye.